fuck? Where is my money? Oh, finally I did that. What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. And today I'm gonna unbox my baby. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm kind of like feeling hot. Yeah, so today I'm gonna unbox my new MacBook. Hey, that was my dream. Like when I saw that MacBook 16, I was like, fuck, this is awesome and I need it. And finally I did that, and now it's a time for us to open it. I did some customization for that, and now this is really a crazy machine for me. So I really wanted to make some good video, so this machine is gonna help me, and I know that I'm gonna do that. And I did some customization for that. So right now this is MacBook Pro 16-inch with space gray. This MacBook has like 2.4 GHz 8th core 9th generation Intel Core i9 processor, 32 GHz 2666 MHz DDR4. For graphics I have AMD Radeon Pro 5500M with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and I have 1 TB SSD storage, and with Final Cut Pro software. And this is crazy, isn't it? This sounds really crazy, and I'm really fucking excited to open it, and I just can't stop myself. So let's start.
Okay, so now it smells good. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Okay, so let's do that. Are you ready? So let's do that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Yes, this is fucking crazy. It looks good. Oh my god, this is crazy, and I did that. This is very good. Okay, so now it's time to open. So as you can see, we have to open from this side. Yes.
Ooh. Yes. Finally baby is here. Oh my god. I mean, this is not really heavy. I still can remember my first laptop. So when I had my first laptop, so I always thinking like it should be like small, like so that I can go anywhere with that and can like use it and will have no problem to carry. And right now like my main focus is like editing videos and like making something for my blog.
This is really good. Look at this logo, and it came up with design by Apple in California. And okay, this is the charger, and they gave this is the sticker they gave me, the Apple logo. This is good. Yes. So now it's time to open. Are you ready? 1, 2, okay. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here you are. This is really crazy. Yes, it's good. It's awesome. And you know they made finally
So
it's
this is
ready.
all from today, and please wait for me. I promise that I'm gonna make really good video, and I'm gonna learn how to edit really like a professional, and I'm gonna make something, and I will let you know about Japan, more about Japan. Really need your support, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and you will get all the notification when I will upload my video. And please comment and let me know like what do you think about, and what kind of video would you like to see in future. And I'm really excited to make something for you, and I promise that I will let you know about so many things about Japan, and hope one day some of you can come here and would get the interest to stay here for a long time like the way I'm doing. So bye bye from now.